Hey guys, how are we doing? Crypto Insight UK here, bringing you back another YouTube video. So let's have a quick look at what's going on. This video is mainly going to be around XRP because XRP had some explosive price action yesterday. Obviously, we've seen Bitcoin running up hard. Again, I'll just quickly touch on that. I did think we were going to have a drop. We still have a lot of open interest in the system, but right now I'm focused on trying to maximize this move for you guys, and we can get into why I thought other things at another time, but really isn't that relevant right now. Because we need to maximize what's going on now. The situation's changed in my opinion, and I think we're looking to march on to the upside. Bitcoin is sitting around 87,000, and the thing that I'm really watching for is how Bitcoin is moving the rest of the market right now. Basically, as Bitcoin moves in the last few days, some alts, particularly yesterday XRP, was moving massively to the upside on the green candles that Bitcoin got, and then pulling back quite heavily too in terms of volatility when Bitcoin was pulling back. With that in mind, Bitcoin has started to build more liquidity above us, meaning people are trying to come in short here, making me think we're probably going to go and at least tap these all-time highs today. Even though there is a lot of liquidity down here below us, look, down at these levels, look, 61k, which is obviously always possible, 65k. We've had that big expansion, big leg higher. So there's always going to be possibility for something to pull back here. But essentially, we've chomped through the liquidity. We've got some shorts building above us still. Could take us all the way up towards like 92,500. And that would probably be extremely positive for XRP as we go and look at XRP right now on the hourly time frame. XRP's had this explosive move yesterday, as I talked about. In fact, I'll just take you to the daily to show you how explosive this move actually was. Just on the daily yesterday, we gained from the candle open to the candle close 13%, which is very nice, but it's not quite like a Cardano or Doge sort of move yet. There's a lot of volume coming in behind it, which is nice. I personally believe this move is nowhere near done for XRP. I think in the short term, we're probably going to head up to like 124 sort of area, like this sort of area here, somewhere in and around here, like this area. 124 is my short-term target, and I think that's coming imminently. A lot of people already throwing the towel in, but we're going to have volatility now, guys, and I really think that XRP's 124 is the imminent move. And I'm going to show you on XRP versus Bitcoin and ETH. XRP versus Bitcoin put in a significant candle yesterday, taking back all this price action, getting us back above this previous level of support slash resistance. We're now above it, although we have come down today and kind of like back tested that, but the day is obviously not closed. We are currently sitting below it, but let's see a wick hopefully and push us out of this zone. I think if Bitcoin starts to gain some slow positive momentum, as I said, XRP has been acting erratically. You can see like the wicks both ways. I think XRP will then continue to the upside. XRP versus ETH telling a different story. Came back, held the support well, and then had an explosive candle yesterday. Maybe we do come back into this candle a little bit, looking for strength, closing this fair value gap, and then sending us higher. That could be a possibility as well. So they're the things that I'm basically watching for with XRP Bitcoin, XRP ETH, and XRP's price action in general. I would expect we see some sort of move like we saw in Cardano for XRP. If you actually zoom in and look at these moves for Cardano, the third day, it did actually wick down and pull back before continuing higher, which is like the third day we're in now for XRP. Cardano came up, pulled down, and then sent it higher. Yes, this pullback actually might be a lot smaller than that of XRP, although I haven't actually measured it, but let's have a look. Now, there's still like a 7% pullback, and we're seeing something similar with XRP right now. So I would expect XRP to have that move and break us out of that range to the upside. So I've got some news coming about XRP too. And then this is obviously Doge, and takes on the daily, and Doge has been just doing an absolute madness because literally Elon Musk is being called Doge by the US government right now. So I live in a simulation, I think. But looking at the news that came yesterday, the exciting news, we'll just scroll to that. Actually, there was some cool TA from Tech Dev. He basically said XRP squeeze and shows the 3-month and basically they're not to be faded. The 7 years of accumulation be faded on the move. 360 Trader said something similar, 32% since this tweet. This is just the beginning. You're about to find out what happens when you've been pinching for 1,000 days, and that's where Tech Dev actually replied to that. But in other news, Brad Garlinghouse and Charles Hoskinson have linked up to talk, basically trying to synergize to bring the crypto space together, which is pretty cool in my opinion. And then there was one other piece of news I did want to show you. I'm pretty sure I retweeted it, but I can't see it right now here. President Trump is considering recess appointment to replace Gary Gensler by bypassing the Senate for a new pick after pledging ousting Gensler. Are Gary Gensler's days numbered? Is XRP about to turn up to the upside big time? I personally believe it is. 124 is my short-term target. Then maybe come back, retest the top of the 74-cent range, and then get ready to absolutely send it towards all-time highs is what I'm thinking happens. Let's see what happens in the market in general. Oh yeah, one last thing. Tron did actually break its 2021 highs, which is fantastic news. Another crypto in and around the same sort of market cap as XRP doing a madness as well. So XRP's time is very close, if not right now, and that is what I'm watching for. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you agree, please let me know below and share this with a friend. Hit the subscribe button if you don't already. Helps me out and it's free to do. Peace up, A-Town down, as Crypto Insight UK would say.